Military aviation is a high-stakes game, where cutting-edge technology meets unforgiving reality. Even the most advanced fighter jets and helicopters face risks every time they take off. In just the first half of 2025, the skies have already seen unexpected accidents, dramatic rescues, and tragic losses. What causes these incidents? Human error, technical failure, or something more? Today, we break down the most notable military aviation incidents of 2025, with facts, no speculation. This is Military Expert. Stay with us. On January 28, 2025, an F35A Lightning II crashed during a routine landing at Eielson Air Force Base in Alaska. The F-35A is considered one of the most advanced multi-role fighter jets in the world, known for its stealth capabilities, high-tech sensors, and powerful avionics. But despite cutting-edge technology, the aircraft is not immune to accidents. According to official reports, the incident occurred in daylight, under normal weather conditions. During approach for landing, the pilot experienced a critical system failure that made it impossible to control the aircraft safely. With only seconds to react, the pilot ejected. Thanks to the aircraft's advanced ejection system, the pilot survived and was treated for minor injuries. Emergency response teams quickly secured the crash site, and an official investigation was launched to determine the exact cause. While the F-35 program boasts impressive performance, incidents like this highlight the risks that come with operating highly complex military aircraft, and remind us that even the most sophisticated fighters can face technical failures. The temporary grounding of several F-35As at the base followed, as a precautionary measure while the investigation continues. This incident added to ongoing discussions about the reliability, cost, and maintenance challenges of next-generation fighter jets. On June 10, 2025, a South Korean F-16 Fighting Falcon crashed during joint military exercises in Alaska. The incident took place at Eielson Air Force Base, where U.S. and South Korean forces regularly conduct joint drills to strengthen cooperation and readiness. According to preliminary reports, the F-16 encountered technical problems shortly after takeoff. Within moments, the pilot realized that controlling the aircraft was no longer possible. Fortunately, the pilot successfully ejected from the fighter jet and survived the crash without life-threatening injuries. The aircraft was completely destroyed upon impact, but no ground personnel or civilians were harmed. A full investigation was launched to determine the root cause of the failure. Early speculation points to a possible mechanical malfunction, though officials emphasize that no conclusions will be made until the technical analysis is complete. Despite the incident, joint exercises between the two allies resumed after a brief pause. This event serves as another reminder that even reliable, combat-proven aircraft like the F-16 are vulnerable to unexpected failures, and that pilot training and emergency systems play a crucial role in saving lives. On July 2, 2025, a Ugandan Mi-24 attack helicopter crashed in Mogadishu, Somalia, while participating in an African Union peacekeeping operation. According to military sources and African Union officials, the helicopter experienced a mechanical failure shortly after takeoff from a forward operating base near the capital. The Mi-24, a Soviet-designed gunship, was providing aerial support for a routine security sweep targeting al-Shabaab militants. The crash claimed the lives of 5 Ugandan soldiers, while 3 others on board survived with injuries. Emergency teams responded quickly, and video footage from the site shows the smoking wreckage amid a dirt field near local buildings. Investigators from the African Union and Ugandan military are examining black box data and eyewitness reports to determine the cause. This crash highlights both the dangers of rotary wing operations in active conflict zones and the aging fleet challenges faced by many African militaries. On February 12, 2025, A U.S. Navy EA18G Growler crashed off the coast of San Diego, California during a routine training flight. The Growler is a specialized electronic warfare aircraft designed to jam enemy radar, disrupt communications, and provide critical support for strike missions. It plays a vital role in modern air operations, protecting Allied forces from detection and attack. During the flight, the crew experienced a technical malfunction that made it impossible to keep the aircraft airborne. Within moments, both pilots made the decision to eject. Thanks to quick reactions and reliable ejection systems, both crew members landed safely in San Diego Bay, where they were rescued by nearby civilian vessels and naval search teams. The aircraft crashed into the water and sank shortly after impact. The Navy quickly launched a recovery operation to locate and retrieve the wreckage. While the precise cause of the malfunction is still under investigation, officials emphasized that there is no indication of hostile action. This incident serves as a reminder that even highly trained crews and advanced aircraft like the Growler can face unexpected emergencies, and that training and preparation remain key to survival in such situations. On January 29, 2025, a U.S. Army UH-60L Blackhawk helicopter was involved in a mid-air collision over the Potomac River near Washington, D.C. The incident occurred during a routine training mission in controlled airspace. According to official reports, the Blackhawk collided with the civilian CRJ-701 regional jet during approach procedures. Thankfully, both aircraft were able to avoid a catastrophic outcome. The Blackhawk's crew activated emergency protocols, allowing them to safely eject from the helicopter before it crashed into the river. The civilian aircraft managed to make an emergency landing, with no reported injuries among passengers or crew. Rescue teams quickly located the Blackhawk's crew, who were safely recovered from the water. No fatalities were reported. An immediate investigation was launched by military and civilian aviation authorities to determine the sequence of events and identify any failures in communication or air traffic control procedures. While collisions between military and civilian aircraft are extremely rare, this incident highlights the complexity of operating in shared airspace and the importance of constant coordination between military and civilian aviation sectors to prevent disaster. In just the first half of 2025, military aviation has faced a series of serious incidents, from stealth fighters crashing to tragic helicopter accidents. These events remind us that no amount of technology can eliminate risk entirely. Even the most advanced aircraft depend on human skill, reliable maintenance, and, at times, split-second decisions to prevent disaster. But they also show how quick reactions, proper training, and modern safety systems can save lives, even in the worst situations. Military aviation will always carry risk. That's the nature of operating on the cutting edge. Thank you for watching Military Expert. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more fact-based coverage of military technology and defense news. Stay safe and stay informed.